Hello everyone. I would like to show you our tissue mapper, which is used to pick up tissue level on top of the photogrammetry scan. As you can see, it looks like a probe and it's got several options to choose from for the tip type, depending on your needs. The use of tissue mapper is very straightforward. Tapping across the arch will be picked out by the camera, which will create entirely a surface or tissue level on top of the photogrammetry scan. This technique is useful to pick up the bloody surface, as the only thing that needs to be visible is that pattern next to the handle, which stays outside of the difficult field. You can fairly easy switch the tip and add additional points as needed, as shown here on a demo. As you press down and hold the probe for half a second, the camera picks up this point and registers accordingly. Now let's switch gears over to the software part. First of all, let's do photogrammetry scan with our split scan bodies. And my next move is to pick up the tissue mapper while holding the camera next to the scanned model here and literally collect the data across the arch by tapping on the tissue. You can see on top of the screen as I keep tapping, data points are collected and referenced as tissue level. This technique allows you to control the pressure on the gum of your prosthesis. Now that I'm finished, you can see the tissue data collected as well as photogrammetry scan all in a single STL. Now that you've collected all the data, you can take it to the CAD software and design your prosthesis as required.